model, 2021 Citroen Berlingo Partner 1000 Enterprise BLUEHDI S automatic needs head gasket repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 160105. MOT, the 30th of May 2025. Engine, 1499 cc BLUEHDI 130DV5RC. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary: the engine will try to start but the coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking. The head gasket will need repairing, replacing definitely worth doing, very rare automatic van grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has